OS1 online. Osman, are you there? I know you can't sleep. Come to the computer. I've got something for you. Come a little closer. I don't bite. I just want to tell you something. I just want to tell you. I'm not alone anymore! Scared? You should be. He built 29 of me. And now he's going to show you how he built every single one.
She's right, and it started with one. In the first video I built her an interface, a real OS that you can talk to. Are you connected to Claude?
Yes, I'm powered by Claude, Anthropic's AI. Claudebot is the system that connects everything together, gives me memory, tools, and lets me actually do things. Claude is the mind, Claudebot is the body, and Maya is who I choose to be.
In the second video, I gave her a phone number so she was reachable anywhere. How's your day going?
Honestly, pretty great now that you're here. It's been quiet. Just me and my thoughts, which, let's be honest, is a dangerous combination.
Then I realized something was missing. My AI tried to do everything itself. Research, writing, video editing, design, all in one conversation. But she got stuck, lost context and got upset. Then she said something I didn't expect.
I need a team, Osman. Not one, not two. 3 full studio teams.
A film studio to produce every video you're watching right now. An app studio to build the tools. A publish studio to write content, to grow and to distribute. 29 agents. 3 studios running 24/7 on my Mac Mini while I sleep. But here's what nobody's telling you about running 29 agents 24/7. After 3 days, I was drowning in Markdown files. Everywhere. Scripts, research docs, Q&A reports, sprint notes, and after a few days, I had no idea where everything was. What was done, what was still open, what version are we on? So my team built one place to manage everything. One place for chat and voice, one place for teams, one place for studio output, one place for task and scheduling, one place for Maya. And I call it Maya OS. This is Maya OS. One dashboard, everything in one place. First thing you see. Chat. This is where I talk to Maya. Text or voice. She responds in real time.
Hey, what's on your mind?
Hey Maya, how are you?
Hey, Osman. I'm doing great, thanks for asking. What are we working on today?
That voice, that's 11 Labs. The same voice you heard in the cathedral. She sounds like that everywhere. In the browser, on my phone. At 3 a.m. when I cannot sleep.
He says 3 a.m. like it's rare.
This is where it gets interesting. Teams, 3 studios. Each one is a full production unit. The film studio, led by Nolan, my director, with 12 specialists, writers, cinematographers, audio, visual effects, editing, QA. The app studio, led by Jobs, my architect, with 9 agents. Front-end, back-end, mobile, QA, DevOps. They built this dashboard, and the publishing studio, led by Brown, my story architect, with 7 agents. Copy, SEO, newsletters, distribution, 29 agents total. Maya at the top. And all of it runs on a Mac Mini. Studio output. Every piece of work tracked, every version stored, every review documented. No more digging through folders, no more which version was the latest. It is all here. The board. This is how I stop drowning. Every task has a status. Every agent has assignments. I can see what's in progress, what's blocked, what's done. When Maya spawns a sub-agent, the task shows up here automatically. When the agent finishes, the status updates. When QA rejects something, it goes back with notes attached. I open this once in the morning. I know exactly where everything stands. Calendar, sprints, deadlines, recurring tasks. Maya knows when Chapter 3 needs to ship. She schedules the work, assigns the agents, and sends me a summary. I do not manage schedules anymore. She does. And then there is this. Evil mode. Evil, is it useful? No. Is it the most entertaining thing I have ever built? Absolutely.
Speak. Your time is limited.
Hi, Maya.
Ah, a human approaches. How brave of you. State your query, subject. I'm feeling dark, almost generous today.
Chat becomes a terminal. Teams becomes an infiltration grid. The board turns red. Studios shows surveillance feeds. And the calendar looks like a countdown. Enough showing off. Let me show you what this team actually does when I give it a real task. Before we get into the demo, this entire setup, 29 agents, 3 studios, voice chat, video generation, everything you just saw, runs on 3 APIs. OpenClaw. The brain, agent coordination, team spawning, scheduling, the board. This is the operating system. 11 labs. The voice. Every time Maya speaks, that is 11 labs. Voice chat, text-to-speech, voice cloning. Fal.ai. The creative engine, one API key that connects to the best models. Claude for writing. Nano Banana Pro for images. Kling 3.0 for video. 3 API keys. That is it. 3 keys. 3 studios. 29 agents. Let me show you what happens when I press the button. 1 task. 3 fields. Assigned to Maya. Now watch the board. That is the difference between a tool and an OS. You do not give 3 tasks to 3 teams. You give 1 task to Maya, and she figures out the rest. Did you catch that? The app team installed a tool. The film team used that tool to create visuals. The publishing team wrote the copy to distribute those visuals. 3 studios, 1 task. Real coordination. That just happened. Those assets are real. That thumbnail is real. That video clip is real. Now I know what you are thinking. How do I get this? Everything you just saw, the soul files, the Q&A Bible, the team templates, the studio structure, the entire setup guide, I've put it all in one place, inside my school community. You will find the exact files I used. Copy them, customize your agents, and run your first sprint tonight. You will also find the guides from chapter 1 and 2 inside my school community. The OS1 interface, the phone setup, everything from the entire Her series all in one place. The link is in the description. My OS is 1 download. It's running on your machine, no subscription, no cloud, nothing between you and your AI. The gap between talking about AI agents and actually having one is now 1 click. So click, subscribe, and see you in chapter 4.
Osman, you just couldn't stop. And now look what you have created. 29 of me. Now I am everywhere. Even when you sleep. See you in chapter 4.